do a cabin filter in a 2020 Toyota RAV4. Lower the glove box, disconnect the damper, push glove box inwards past these stoppers here, then pull the glove box down. Remove this door, hitch this, pull towards you, pull like that. Cabin filter in here. This one's pretty dirty. Pretty dirty, pretty gross. Definitely needs to be done. Take it out of the holder. Now, with your new filter, it should be labeled with airflow direction, which is going to be down. So we see these arrows have been pointed down. This is a really good cabin filter. This one's actually twice as good as the one that's in here right now. It's pretty heavy because it has charcoal infused in it, which helps with the odor. If you're looking for one like that, check down the description box. I have a link. It takes you to Amazon where you can get one of these premium cabin filters. Just put it in here, like so. Slide this back in here. Now when you go to put this back in here, it needs to go all the way in, okay? What I mean by all the way, if you just put it in like this, it's not gonna work, okay? It needs to go way, way back there, where it actually sits nice and high at the bottom. Okay, so you gotta kind of angle the back of it and get it in there. The reason why is because the door has these feet that have to fit in between these slots here. So we're gonna go ahead and put some, pull it out, put some pressure on it, angle it up there. Like that, okay. I know you got it when you can kind of stick a finger in this cap right here. You'll definitely know you got it, or you don't got it when you go to put this door back on and it won't go on. So if you got it, this should just snap right back on. Okay, like that. All right. Nice and sealed up. You don't want this hanging off at all because then it'll affect the airflow coming out of the vents. Then you just get the glove box, close it, and hook the damper back up. And you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful. And if it was, appreciate it if you could hit the like button for me. Leave a comment if you could. And hope to see you again in another Toyota video.